Another month is behind us and summer is winding down, so let's take a look at the latest numbers and see what's happening in Orange County real estate trends as we enter the final stretch of the year. I'm Veronica Encinas from the Coldwell Banker. Thanks for joining me. Let's jump right in and look at the sales price to list price ratio. If you've watched my market updates before, you know that this ratio measures what percentage of asking price a home actually sells for. So, if you accept a full price offer for your home, your ratio is 100%. When the ratio sits above 100% for long periods of time, like it did throughout much of 2020 and all of 2021, it's an indication that bidding wars are happening consistently and across price levels. Looking at the chart, you can see that the ratio peaked just below 106% last spring, then a long descent began when interest rates started to increase, and it finally bottomed out just below 98% at the end of 2022. However, at the beginning of 2023, the ratio changed course and quickly ran up to 101%, where it has steadily remained for the past 4 months. Which means, yes, we're still seeing bidding wars this year, but not at the same level we saw it prior to the run-up in rates when it hit 106%. So in relative terms, what that might look like is a home that saw 20 to 30 offers in the crazy days of 2021 will now see 3 to 4 offers. Next up, let's talk about demand, which we measure as the number of closed sales each month. Last month, we had just below 2,000 sales in the month, which is down from 2,100 a year ago and way down from just over 3,000 2 years ago. And as we head toward the end of the year, I would expect that this number will continue to trend downward as it always does at year end. And what about supply? Last month, 1,871 new homes came on the market in Orange County. That's 23% fewer than we saw a year ago and 40% fewer than we saw 2 years ago. It also marks the third straight month that new inventory has dropped from the previous month. And just like demand, we expect the supplies will continue to decline as we head toward the holidays. So now the question every buyer, seller, and homeowner wants to know: what does all of this mean when it comes to home values? Let's take a look at our average sale price per square foot chart, otherwise known as dollar per square foot. Dollar per square foot has risen steadily in Orange County for more than a decade since the market recovered from the Great Recession of 2008. It peaked a year ago in the spring, approximately $690 per square foot, and then it took a notable tumble through the end of 2022 as buyers and sellers adjusted to the rising interest rates. But as fewer sellers put their home on the market and we returned to a situation where demand consistently exceeded supply, dollar per square foot began to climb again, actually surpassing our previous high of $690 when it hit $700 a square foot this summer, effectively erasing the value drop that occurred a year ago. So there you have it. With so many homeowners unwilling to put their homes on the market due to the low interest rates they're enjoying, the lack of supply continues to drive the Orange County market and push prices up. If you're considering buying or selling a home in Orange County, it's crucial to understand the data so you'll know how to best position yourself to achieve your real estate goals. And because these numbers can vary depending on which of Orange County's 34 cities you're interested in, contact us if you want a city-specific breakdown of the latest market numbers. Thanks for watching. If you know someone who may find this information helpful, click the share button below.